Good morning. The budget linked fall and the swift rebound have left the market participants rather clueless about the market's near term direction. Indecisive global markets aren't helping either. Crude oil continues to be the biggest bugbear along with mounting worries about the slowdown in China. Sluggish growth in US and recession in Eurozone is taking its toll on not just China but also on other emerging economies. The only positive is the abundant global liquidity that is pushing up prices of risky assets. However, betting on a liquidity driven bounce again would be a little foolish. The domestic economy is unlikely to rebound sharply. Any material improvement will hinge on multitude of variables such as crude, inflation, RBI action, FII flows, and last but not the least, progress in policy making by the center. The start today is going to be a tad lower. A weaker than expected China's manufacturing PMI would weigh on the sentiment. Watch out for the provisional PMI data for the Eurozone later in the session. The trading range of the Nifty has narrowed to 5,265 to 5,450. A breakout from this range on a closing basis could provide some impetus in the near term. The FIs were net buyers of Rs 6.22 billion in the cash segment on Wednesday, while the domestic institutional investors were net sellers of Rs 2.93 billion as per the provisional figures released by the NSE. The FIs were net sellers of Rs 1.98 billion in the F&O segment on Wednesday, according to the provisional NSE data. The foreign funds were net buyers of Rs 1.95 billion in the cash segment on Tuesday, as per the SEBI website. Moving on to a recommendation, the technical call for the day is we advise buying Marico above Rs 164 with stop loss placed at Rs 159 and for the target price of Rs 175. Our derivative strategy for the day is longer Polo Tyres March futures above Rs 83 for the target price of Rs 87 and a stop loss placed at Rs 81. Thank you. Wish you have a great day ahead.